Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Welcome back to our channel. We've been seeing a lot of ads recently for a device called the WellaCooler. It's being promoted as a portable wall-mounted air conditioner that can instantly cool rooms, reduce electricity bills, and work without complicated installation. At first glance, it looks like a perfect summer solution. But when we started looking deeper into how it's actually presented and what it really is, several red flags begin to appear. The biggest concern starts with how WellaCooler is advertised. It is presented like a full air conditioning system that can cool or heat a room within seconds, sometimes claiming coverage of large spaces like 500 plus square feet. But here's the issue. Real air conditioners work using a compressor system and require a way to remove hot air from the room, usually through a vent or outdoor unit. In the WellaCooler marketing, there is no clear explanation of any exhaust system, compressor, or proper refrigeration technology. That immediately raises questions about what kind of cooling is actually happening. Based on the available information, devices like WellaCooler appear to function more like evaporative air coolers or enhanced fans. These systems don't truly lower room temperature in the same way an AC does. Instead, they circulate air through a wet filter, giving a localized cooling sensation. That means you may feel cooler if you are sitting directly in front of it, but it is unlikely to cool an entire room effectively. This is an important difference that is often not clearly explained in the advertising. Another red flag is the performance language used in marketing. Claims like cooling a room in 5 seconds or being 10 times more powerful than a fan are very difficult to support without proper testing data. There are no independent lab results, engineering specifications, or verified performance reports provided to back these claims. Without that, these statements remain marketing claims rather than proven facts. Another interesting point is that similar looking products with nearly identical descriptions and images have appeared on marketplaces like Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu under different names. We also found strong similarities with another product called EpiCooler, which had a similar marketing style and product presentation. That product received a significant number of customer complaints online, especially regarding weak cooling performance, refund issues, and high return shipping costs. When a product follows the same pattern of branding, claims, and website structure, it naturally raises questions about how consistent or reliable the product experience really is. The official pages often show thousands of positive reviews and high ratings. However, there is no clear independent verification of these reviews. In other words, it is difficult to confirm whether they come from verified buyers or external review platforms. This lack of transparency is another factor that buyers should keep in mind. So what can we say about WellaCooler? Based on the available information, it appears to be a device that may provide basic airflow and some localized cooling effect, but the advertising seems to present expectations similar to a real air conditioner, which may not match actual performance. Because of the unclear technical explanation, exaggerated claims, and similarity to previously controversial products like EpiCooler, a cautious approach is recommended. You might receive a working product, but it may not deliver the level of cooling shown in advertisements like AC. If you've already tried WellaCooler, sharing your experience can really help others make a better decision. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to D Reviews for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Thanks for watching.